So today we're going to talk about some carpets we make runners out of and sell to people. We get asked all the time, what's the best carpet for my stairs? So there's various different types. It depends on your preference, obviously. But first of all, we're going to start with the Sisal. So this comes in 3 different designs, this particular Sisal. So in the middle here, we've got what we call tiger's eye. Then on my right hand side, we've got herringbone. And on my left is what they call a boot clay. So Sisal is a very robust carpet. It's a natural fibre and it's hard wearing, etc, etc. So basically the only thing with this, it is very difficult to clean this carpet. Well, you can't get water on it. It doesn't like water, and it is very difficult to clean. Other than that, if you want something robust, and obviously it looks very nice aesthetically, it looks lovely on the stairs and that as well. So
lots of different colours.
Lots of different colours as well, and designs as well. But this is just 3 of the designs I've got in this one. Then we'll move on to the jute. So jute again is a natural fibre. Comes in this goldy copper colour. Comes in 2 designs. It comes in a herringbone, and it comes in a boucle as well. This is a lot softer. This is than Sisal. More like a carpet feel to it. This is a bit more hard on the feet. This isn't as hard wearing as the Sisal. It's a lot softer though. Again, cleaning wise, it doesn't like water. It will stain. And cleaning wise in general, it is quite difficult to clean. And that is pretty much that. Then we will move on to Seagrass. So Seagrass again is a natural fibre. It's like a ribbed, straight ribbed, if you'd call it that, basket weave design, and it comes in a herringbone design as well.
Colours are the same though, aren't they?
Yeah, you can't get this in any different colours, not that we've come across anyway. Again, robust wise, it is very, very robust. It's very, very hard wearing. It lasts a long time, probably even longer than the Sisal. But again, cleaning wise, it doesn't like to get anything on it. If you do get stuff on it, it can get into the insides of the carpets, and it's very difficult to get it out. So cleaning wise, again, it's not very practical. But again, for longevity and stuff like that, it will last. And then we'll come to, this is what we call faux Sisal. So this comes in lots and lots of different designs, colours. Robust wise, it's it's that robust you can actually put it outside. But again, with Seagrass and stuff like that, people does have it outside in gardens and stuff like that. But this stuff here is pretty much indestructible. Cleaning wise, you can clean it with anything. It's made of polypropylene.
And you can get nylon version as well.
You can get nylon versions of it as well. So this comes, like I say, it comes in lots of different designs. So that's another herringbone.
But it's designed to look like Sisal, isn't it?
Yes.
It's very similar.
But obviously, it comes like Sisal, and you get patterns like this. It comes in all sorts of different patterns and designs. So that, would you call probably a basket weave?
Yeah, chunky weave.
Yeah. Again, there's another herringbone, and then there's another, maybe a boucle, would call that one.
So when you walk on it, it's the only way without feet that you know it wasn't Sisal, really, isn't it? It's very, very realistic.
Yeah, it is. And longevity wise, like robust, it's very, very robust. You can clean it with pretty much anything. And all round aesthetically, it looks fantastic on stairs.
So really, out of all of them, that's probably our recommendation.
Yeah, faux Sisal is probably one of our biggest sellers.
Price wise, the same, isn't it?
Not much dearer. Might be a little bit dearer, but it's worth it in the long run for all purposes, really. For the cleaning wise, except like cleaning, aesthetically it looks nice, and it's just an all-round nice carpet.
So rugs and runners.
Rugs and runners. You can have it stairs, rooms, pretty much anywhere really. Our recommendation would be the faux Sisal.